For the past 6 years, I've been giving you regular career and retirement tips and sharing news and updates, things that affect folks who are over the age of 50. Today is no different. There is some big news for Social Security beneficiaries. Changes are on the way, my friends, and they will start impacting your wallet in just a couple months. First up, there's the 2.5% cost of living adjustment, the COLA, that's coming in 2025. My guess is most of you, or I should even think that all of you have already heard of this. You're aware of it. Now, while any increase is good news, this year's adjustment is notably smaller than the 3.2% bump that we all saw in 2024. In fact, it's the smallest adjustment since January of 2021 when benefits only rose 1.3%. So, what does this increase mean for you? Well, on average, beneficiaries can expect an extra $50 a month. And I hate even to mention that. $50 a month is negligible, and that's being kind. Now, while this raise is meant to help offset rising costs for things like food and fuel and other necessities, some, or maybe I should say most retirees are concerned it may not go far enough. And notifications about the updated benefits are going to start arriving in your mailbox in early December, and you'll see the higher payments begin in January. But, and there is a big but here, that's not the only change happening in 2025. And let me break it down for you. Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. If you're an SSI recipient, your payments will increase with the first boost hitting accounts on December 31st. Now, SSI, as I think most of you know, provides monthly payments to individuals with low income and limited resources, and this includes children and adults who qualify under specific financial limits. Another change, taxable maximum for workers. For those still in the workforce, there's a big change to the taxable max. The amount of your earnings subject to Social Security taxes in 2025, the taxable maximum will increase from $168,600 to $176,100. And this adjustment, it happens each year. It happens every year, and it's based on changes in the National Average Wage Index. Earning limits, another change if you're working and collecting Social Security benefits before reaching full retirement age. And I know quite a few folks who are doing this. Well, I want you to take note of the new earnings limits. Under full retirement age, the earnings limits will increase to $23,400. So if you earn more than this, $1 will be deducted from your benefits for every $2 you earn above the limit. I've never thought this was fair. You may disagree, but that's my opinion. Another thing, reaching full retirement age in 2025, the limit for those reaching full retirement age will rise to $62,160 with $1 deducted for every $3 earned above the limit. I guess that's a little bit better than the other one. And speaking of full retirement age, it'll be 66 years and 10 months for those hitting that milestone in 2025. Well, there you go. I've just told you about big changes coming to Social Security in 2025. If you like more Social Security updates, if you want to hear about them as they happen, if you want to learn about some other things that affect people who are over 50, well, then you're going to want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Over 50 TV. If you're somebody, though, who is also thinking about maybe you want to start a side hustle, you want to start a business, don't forget, I do have a second channel. It's called Side Hustle Rules. There's a link to that in the description box. I provide a lot of information on that channel to help you to get a business off the ground, to get that side hustle rolling, or as I said, a full-time business. Well, that's all I got for you, other than consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe to Over 50 TV. As I always say, have a great day, everybody.